Welcome to A Toy a Day. I'm Nickel the Pickle. Today, we're going to open up a funny animal bus. I think this is going to be half the case here. So we've gotten the rabbit and the panda. Let's see what else we get. Knife. Didn't knife that one very good. And we got the hippo. I think I was most excited about this one. Look at that guy there. Look at that guy there. Yep. Catching the hippo bus. That's where I'd be at. The hippo bus. Little hippo driver. Once again, these things are awesome. Not much to them, but they don't need it. I mean, it's a hippo bus. What else do you need? It needs its bus stop. Papata. I guess that's what the hippo's name is. Sweet. Well, we're going to hit it with the black light. See what it does. Well, it's a black light. That's about it. Nothing. Nothing. He's just driving in the dark. Well, that's gonna do it. And remember, Toy a Day, we'll keep Austin Powers away. We'll see you tomorrow.